Hey everyone, and welcome to Meadow Valley Log Homes and this edition of the How-To series. Today we're going to show you how to install Meadow Valley log siding. We're going to break it down into 3 simple steps. This only requires a few simple tools: a tape measure, a circular or a miter saw, a chalk line, a square, a hammer, nails, or screws. We recommend using 2.5 to 3 inch galvanized splitless siding nails, but make sure they penetrate into the stud at least 1.25 inches. So the nail length could vary depending on the thickness of the siding. If you're installing our full half log siding, which is 4.5 inches thick, we recommend using 5/16 by 6 inch exterior timber screws. Alright, so you've picked your siding profile and you have your fasteners and tools. So let's get started. Step 1. Measure from the eave down on both sides of the wall, making sure that you're 1 inch below the sheeting. From here, you're going to want to snap a chalk line to get the first row. Now step 2. Fasten the siding using galvanized splitless siding nails on the top side and the lower side of the log siding into each stud. As a hint, some of our contractors prefer to use screws and sink the heads slightly. The log siding should be fastened every 16 inches on center with 2 nails, one near the top and angling that slightly downward, and one near the bottom angling slightly upward. The fastener should penetrate a minimum of 1.25 inches into the stud. As you continue to add the siding, stagger the seams of your log siding and butt the joints on a stud. It is not necessary to bevel cut the siding at the seams. Check every other row with a 4-foot level and adjust if necessary. Continue working row by row upward until the last row, which may need to be cut lengthwise to fit. We have 2 key points to make. The first key point is when installing full half log siding, you're going to want to install a 5/16 by 10 to 12 inch timber screw down from one row into the next row, keeping that bottom from coming out. And you're going to want to install those timber screws every 3 feet. Here's the second key point. When installing tongue and groove timber siding, start by nailing the first row approximately 2 inches from the bottom of the siding straight into the stud. Then nail a 1/2 inch from the top of the siding just below the tongue, angled down at a 45 degrees. The rest of the siding will only need to have 1 fastener below the tongue at each stud. The groove will hold the bottom in place. For more information, check out www.log-siding.com or give us a call at 800-657-4666.